Okay, AMD, same drill. So if you're like, oh, I don't trade SPY. Okay, here's AMD. Right, and here's your candle somewhere in this. Never broke VWAP, never broke, never broke, never broke, never broke. Decide where you want to take your money. Does this look like a losing trade on a put? So pre-market levels, yeah, it has nothing to do with the 2-minute EWO. Those are two different strategies. We only use pre-market levels for scalping, right? They're going to be indicative of key critical levels to start your day. And then sometimes throughout the day, they end up being big levels. But to start the day, it gives you an idea of market direction and what you can scalp with. Let me show you the difference. If we were using our 2-minute EWO, which all of you, ding, 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 I'm pointing right at every one of your faces, are only supposed to be using, unless you're in the Millionaires Club. So all of you are only using the 2-minute EWO, which means you don't really care about these levels because all you're looking at is the Elliott wave oscillator, right? What do you care if it breaks one of these levels? Does that make sense? That has nothing to do with you. You're trading this. Scalpers are trading this. See the difference?